Local couple charged with beating a veteran outside the American Legion post in Arlington back in May returns to court to face upgraded felony charges.
Both William and Terry Lodge entered pleas of not guilty. Channel 4's Chris Parento was in the courtroom, and he's joining us now live. Chris, did the Lodges have anything to say?
They really didn't, Tom. Both stood quietly next to their attorneys in court this morning. And once the hearing was over, as they were leaving court, they declined to comment about anything that happened at the American Legion that night.
No comment.
No comments about the new charges.
The Lodges walked quickly from the courthouse this morning.
Seen the video of what was going on inside of the American Legion that night. Any response to what started all of that?
Another no comment about this surveillance video from inside the American Legion, where you see Charles Hughes throwing coasters towards the bartender, talking to the husband and wife. Eventually, Hughes gets up and walks out. William Lodge soon follows him out the door.
Any comments about what happened that night?
William Lodge also wouldn't comment about the incident. Witnesses have said that by the time they got outside, the fight was already going on between the two men. William Lodge is now charged with aggravated battery causing great bodily harm. His wife charged with battery on a person over the age of 65.
What happened between those two men when they were in the parking lot? And you can expect that for the male defendant in this case and his defense lawyer, they will defend themselves on the ground that they were not going out there to try to start a fight.
Attorney Gene Nichols, who is not involved in this case, says that both lodges have hired very good attorneys, but that it might be difficult because of the surveillance video inside the Legion and the state attorney's office upgrading their charges.
What they have seen in all of this is that while the victim in this case, he may not have been polite, he may not have been the way that his mother would want him to be, he may have been acting in a manner that he should not have been acting in. They believe that it did not rise to the level of what subsequently happened to him.
I did reach out to attorneys for both William and Terry Lodge today to see if they had any comment about this case, but both attorneys declined comment. Live at the Duval County Courthouse, I'm Chris Parento, Channel 4, the local station.